Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are staying safely at home and watching our classes every day and take care of some precautions when you go outside and also preserve your health, save your health. Understand? In the previous classes, we completed two lessons in the first unit. The first lesson is the snake and the mirror. The second poem, the duck and the kangaroo. Last week I have sent grammar part, textual grammar, that vocabulary and some same meaning words. Today we are going to discuss the third lesson in the first unit. I hope you are get ready with your textbooks. Open your textbooks, page number 20, and watch the lesson. Okay, get ready. Lesson name is the Little Bobby. Understand? Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Understand? So we are going to discuss about the things, the deeds of the little Bobby in this lesson. So where he went to his mother. Where was his mother? His mother was in the kitchen making some food. Understand? Preparing some food. Watch. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Understand? So he went down to meet his mother with a purpose. Understand? So what purpose? His birthday is coming soon. That's why he wanted to please his mom and also he wanted to get a gift from his mom. That's why he thought himself it is the right time to say his wish, his want, his desire to his mom. Understand? That's why he went down and also he went to the kitchen and also he told his desire to his mom. Understand? And what he's saying that, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. Understand? He is asking his mom, I want a bike. So he is saying clearly what kind of the gift he wanted for his birthday. I want a bike. I want a bike for my birthday. And here mentioned, little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. Troublemaker means a person who makes often some troubles, some disturbances, some problems. Understand? We can understand he was a mischievous boy. Mischievous boy. So here mentioned is quality. What kind of the boy? The boy was a troublemaker person. That means some mischievous boy. Understand? He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. So that's why. So the troublemakers wherever they are, and they are making some troubles at school, at home also he making some problems. Here mentioned at school and at home. These are the prepositions. At school and at home. So at preposition we are using some small places like home, school, like that. But when we are taking a one town, one state and one country, we can using that in. Instead of that we are using the preposition in. Understand, children? And it is a preposition. That's why he is making troubles at school, at home also. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. So that when he asked his mother asked him, are you deserve? Are you eligible? Are you qualified to get a bike? Once think yourself. Once think yourself. His mom asked him. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did, and Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, and go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you have deserved a bike for your birthday. Understand? So why did his mom ask him means he think himself how he behaved last year. How is his behavior, his attitude. That's why his mother asked him, you have to think yourself. Go to your room and also think yourself how you behaved the last year, and you have to decide yourself are you desire to get a bike or not? If you are desire, then you have to write a letter to God how you desire to get a bike for your birthday. Understand? So his mom asked the Bobby. And little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jesse sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Understand? Whenever his mom told him like this, he was got irritation. How can we know he got irritation means he stumped out. That means he couldn't walk in a normal way. That means he's the hitting the foot like that, some irritation. So the stumping the stumped up the steps and to his room. He went to his room, and also while he was going to his room, his pet dog mentioned here Jesse. What was the name of this Bobby's pet dog? Jesse followed him, and also when Bobby sat on his room, the Jesse also sat beside him. We can see in the picture. See, so while he is writing the letter, and also the dog also watching what he was doing, in his room. Understand? So watch the picture also. Look. Now he started to write a letter. Letter 1, page number 21. Turn and watch the page 21. Letter 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want red one. Your friend Bobby. Understand? So how he wrote the first letter, and there is no request, there is no humble words, just is commanding. Lord, I have a red bike, one bike for my birthday, please send me. He is commanding in his letter. Understand? There is no polite words in this letter. So I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. But the letter started, I have been a very good boy in this year. I have been. According to the grammar, it is a present perfect continuous tense. Understand? It is the very important present perfect continuous tense. That means when the instance started in the previous time, still it is going on at the present time. That means it started in the past and particular time, still it is going on at present time. That is called a present perfect continuous tense. That's why I have been good boy. That means from last year onwards, good boy, still I am a good boy. He is saying himself. Understand? Like that. That's why I want a bike. He is asking the God. And below the letter, look, Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. After completion of the letter, he thought himself the letter was not true. You say yourself, himself. Because of that, what he wrote in that letter, that was false statement, not a true statement. That's why he tore up the paper, letter, and also he started to write the another letter. Understand? So letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend. Understand? But some changes occurred in the letter 2. But in the letter 1, he didn't mention. But in the second letter, he is saying that this is your friend Bobby. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. He is saying some of the thanks to God also. Your friend. Understand? Is it true statement? The second letter also? No. That's why what he did. Watch. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either, so he tore up the letter and started again. The second letter also, it is a wrong statement, a false statement. That's why he tore up and also he started to write again the third letter. But we can find some changes in the first letter and second letter. First letter is the commandment. Second letter is introducing himself to the God, his friend, and also is saying some thank you. Understand? What is the third letter? Watch. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a boy for my birthday and Bobby. Understand? Here, some decrease is there. In the previous, the two letters he said he was a good boy, but third letter he said himself, I was a okay boy. That means not good, not good. Okay boy. Understand? And I still would really like a bike for my birthday, Bobby. Understand? Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. So the third letter also he couldn't send to God. That's why he tore up the third letter. He started to write the fourth letter.